to create App Store screenshots. So we're going to use a free and open source tool called Appshots. So it's appshots.appstate.xyz. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. It's free and open source, so there's no payment plan, there's no sign up. It's just straight up to the editor, and that's about it. Nothing more, nothing less. You're not paying anything. No information is being collected. So this is a free tool, and it's open source too, so you can audit the code. So one of the first things we're going to do is to add the screenshot image. So I can just image. So I'm going to drop a screenshot here. So you can see that the app, the screenshot has been added. Then so we can rotate, we can reduce the device size, change the position, move it up or down. We can rotate the device. We can remove the box shadow. We can increase the headline size. Okay, increase the subline title, title size, or we can also change the text. So we can change the text. So all you just need to do is select and go right here and just update the text and just say selection screen. You can also change the color. So you can change the color to whatever you want. So I can change this to black. Same thing, I can just say tap your anxiety away. Anxiety away. Then I can also make it text either bold, italics, or put another line there. Then once I'm done, I can change the background color. So I can change it to any color I want. So I can change it to a deeper purple, or change the color scheme entirely, and move this either here bright green, or move this here and just move the bright pink. And yeah, we can change the font style too. So if you do not like the font style, you can pick from an array of font styles that are available. I'm just going to choose Roboto Mono, and or change this to Inter, or change this to Open Sans. Right, I can add additional screenshots. So with this, I can just add another image. I can just go add another image. So I can just put this as the settings page. I can just go here, then change the text. Change text as a settings page. You can add the description here. Your unique app settings page. Unique. Okay. And this is done. Then I can also change the color. I can also choose. I can use a gradient. You can choose from the gradient already previewed. So these are really nice colors. Then yeah, that's all. I can also change the text color too. So I can change this to unique color or red or whatever. Then again, you can change the fonts. You can add overlay images if you so do choose. For example, I can add downloads. Let me see. Sorry. I can add, yeah, I think this is a convex logo. I'll add this here. This is just a sample of what you can do. You can also resize it. So I can just put this here, just put in the edge of the screen. Then yeah, that's about it. You can also create multiple projects. You can switch to a new project. Let's just call this new project. And yeah, so you can switch to a new project, and it shows you a blank screen, or you can go back to the old one. Then you can also choose the device type. So for example, you can choose tab, you can choose a Samsung Galaxy, or you can choose an Android phone, choose a tab, but I prefer to use an iPhone. But for the second one, you can just choose maybe an Android device and upload the Android screenshots here. And yeah, you can choose the device color, hash. I can also export it. So you can export it as whatever. Yeah, you can export it you can export it as an iPad Pro, so 5.5 inch. So I'm going to use this, then you can export it all. So once exported, it's going to be downloaded to my device, and I can just once exported, it's going to be downloaded to my device. I can just look at it. So it's in a zip file, and I can just look at the image. You can look at the screenshots downloaded, and yeah, that's about it. So yeah, thanks for watching my tutorial. Please do give it a try, and yeah, see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.